Hello everyone, have you ever wondered how you can change the fonts of your website? Maybe the one that you already have in your Visual Studio Code, the fonts family they bring out to you, you are not really conversant or you're not really okay with it, okay, and you want to make use of probably a Google font and you are wondering how you can go about it, okay. This video is actually for you and I want you to stay tuned so that you can see how I will be able to change my website font using Google Fonts. All right, so the first thing I want you to do right now is to go ahead and create an index HTML file. Then go ahead and then get the template of your HTML. All right, and then after that you can just inside your body you can just say let's say we want to change this paragraph right here now, and we see we have more like a Lauren text of about 50. Okay, and I'll just go ahead and click on this, and I will run this with a live server so we can see how it looks like right now, okay, because we are gonna make use of the Google Fonts, okay. So this is actually how it looks like right now. All right, so what I want you to do right now is to go ahead and go to your Google, okay, and type in Google Fonts, okay. Just type in Google Fonts and it will bring out this page for you. And when it does, just go ahead and click on the first one, okay. This first one, actually the website name is fonts.google.com. All right, and now when it does that for you, I want you to scale through the particular one you want to make use of. All right, just get to the particular font you want to make use of, just go through it. If you have any particular font in mind, you can go ahead and search the name here, okay. But let's say I don't have any particular font in mind, I will just go ahead and be going through here, and till I see the particular one I want to make use of, okay. And let's say I want to make use of this particular font, okay. I'll just go ahead and click on it, and then after clicking on it, the page should pop up, and this is actually the page, okay. And what I will do right now is to go ahead and click on this particular select regular 400, okay. Depending on the font, there can be more than one. They can be 100, they can be 200, they can be 400, they can be both, okay. Just select as much as you want, okay. But for the particular font is only showing me one font family. All right, so what I want to do right now is to go ahead and click on this plus icon, and when I do that, it goes ahead and pop up this particular thing for me here, okay. And as you can see, look at what it gives me, okay. Look at what it gives to me, and then I'll go ahead and click on this copy icon. When I copy it, I will just go to my Visual Studio Code, and I will go ahead and in the head element I'll paste the link I just copied now, which was basically this link here, by pressing this icon, okay. And then after that, I want you to go ahead and also come to this place, okay. Scroll down a bit, come to this place and click on the copy, and after clicking on the copy, just go to your index CSS. Probably before you can do that, you can just go ahead and link your CSS by typing in this link and then CSS, okay, and then matching name of your style or CSS, which basically this, okay. I'll just go here and then I'll just come and say the P that I have in my website, I wanna change the font family, or probably I wanna change everything about the website. I can just go ahead and say body, and I'll just do something like this, okay, and then paste that font family that I was given, okay. I'll just go ahead, and after that I'll just go ahead and check out my web page again, and as you can see, my website have now adopted to this particular Google font as easy as that can be, okay. So this is basically how you can go ahead and make use of any Google font at all. And if you want to change any one at all, you can just go ahead and scroll down a bit, scroll down, check out the one particular one you want to make use of, and then just go ahead and click on that particular one, okay. Let's say you want to make use of this particular Meriwether, rather, okay. So just click on it and scroll down a bit, and then just select the particular one you want. Let's say I want the italic one, okay. I'll just click on this italics, and then after that, as you can see, it added some link to this place, but I'll just go ahead and copy it, and then come here, remove the initial one I copied before, okay, and replace it with this reset one, and I can save it. And after that, I can just come back to my browser and then go ahead and copy this latest one that added here, And after that, I can come to my CSS, and then instead of this right now, I can just replace it with this. And once again, I'm gonna check up my browser, and then after that, you can see that my fonts just got changed. Okay, this is basically how you can make use of the best fonts you wanna make use of on your website. Okay, whatever one you see on the Google Fonts. Okay, this is just how you can make use of it. Thank you for staying through, and I would want you to subscribe to my channel and like this video in case you haven't. Okay, see you right next time. Okay, thank you.